Nancy Cavey, National ERISA and Individual Disability Attorney. Welcome to Winning Isn't Easy. Before we get started, I've got to give you a legal disclaimer. This podcast is not legal advice. The Florida Bar Association says I have to tell you that. But now that I've told you that this isn't legal advice, nothing will prevent me from giving you an easy-to-understand overview of the disability insurance world, the games that disability carriers and plans play, and what you need to know to get the disability benefits you deserve. So off we go. Today, I am going to tackle a topic that's both practical and deeply personal for many of my clients: assistive devices, things like canes, walkers, wheelchairs, braces, and electric carts. And I want to talk about the role they play in proving your entitlement to long-term disability benefits. Now, I get this question all the time. Nancy, if I use a cane, does that prove I'm disabled? Or my doctor prescribed a wheelchair. Won't the disability insurance company have to approve me now? And those are good questions because on the surface, it would seem obvious. If you need a cane or a wheelchair just to get through the day, shouldn't that be enough? Well, unfortunately, in the world of disability insurance, the answer is not so simple. Assistive devices can strengthen your claim, but only, in my view, when used in the right way. And more importantly, when your medical records back up the fact that you need them. Disability insurance carriers and plans aren't going to take your word for it. After all, you're not a doctor. They don't want to assume that using a device equals disability. They want objective proof, detailed documentation, and consistency in your medical records. And if those things aren't there, the cane or the wheelchair sitting by your side won't mean much in the eyes of the disability insurance carrier or plan. So that's why in this episode, I want to walk you through, no pun intended, through exactly how assistive devices can be used as evidence, what disability insurance carriers and plans are really looking for, and how each different device, like braces, walkers, and wheelchairs, can shape the outcome of your case. By the end of this episode, my goal is that you'll see why using an assistive device isn't just about personal mobility. It's about building a paper trail that connects your diagnosis, your functional limitations, and your device into the story that the insurance company just can't ignore. So let's get going. Let's talk about three things today. One, how disability carriers view assistive devices. Two, proving medical necessity. And three, how specific devices affect disability claims. Let's take a break for a moment before we really get into this episode.
Have you been robbed of your peace of mind by your disability insurance carrier? You owe it to yourself to get a copy of Robbed of Your Peace of Mind, which provides you with everything you need to know about the long-term disability claims process. Request your free copy of the book at caveylaw.com today.